I'm gonna show you in this short tutorial how to view full screen preview in Davinci Resolve 18. So what you have to do is just to press on your keyboard Ctrl+F, and now you can play the video. You can mute the video, the audio. If you don't want to hear anything, you just can scrub through your video, fast pace, or just watch your video, and now you can exit the full screen. And yeah, if you want to view full screen preview, just make sure you press on your keyboard Ctrl+F, Ctrl+F. And if you have any suggestions for the next Davinci Resolve tutorial, let me know in the comments section. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and take care.